All right, so what I want to do here is I want to show you how simple and easy it can be to program your AUX ORP set point for when you have a saline as well as a backup sanitizer. So if you go into the menu button, you're going to scroll down. You can double check your regular ORP set point, which is your primary. It's going to be at 645 millivolts. So then you can scroll on down to the configuration setup screen. You're going to hit enter there. Go ahead and scroll on down to where you find AUX ORP set point. There it's set at 600, so you are going to want to set that lower than your primary or your ORP set point was. So we've got that set at 600, so you can leave that. And then you're going to scroll on down to AUX output setup. This one is set for OR feed up. You also have the options to do OR feed down. You can also change it and make this your primary ORP relay if you have your AUX running as your primary, so you have that functionality. You would just hit enter to select that, and then you are configured for running a salt system and then having a backup sanitizer as well. To get back out to the main screen, just hit the menu button and it'll back you back out to where you want to be.